Good morning, everybody. We are heading to Arcadia for
the $1 Million Mindset LA seminar. We're so excited.
Come with us to check it out. We made it, guys. We made it.
But in 2008, nobody can believe it. Serious financial crisis, a housing market collapse. It all disappeared. From millionaire to less than $600 in the bank.
Yeah, crazy times, you know. What I always like to tell everybody is everybody in this room has a fight that they're fighting. How many people agree with that? Nobody knows about it.
Where we are today, but since the 1970s, we're basically living in the world of the PC. How many people are older than 50 here? Like myself. No one admit it. Listen, we used to go out on our bikes and play, and there were no PCs, and then we got an Atari, and then we got a Commodore 64.
The mortgage was kind of quiet right now. Look how loud they are here in this room. Skills. Does that make sense, guys? Anyone? How many guys have ever been in a seminar with me before? Raise your hand and say, oh, that's so humbling. I love that, dude. So for the two of you, right, that are here, I'm the guy that can teach you what to say, how to say it effectively, how to crush a listing presentation, how to have a 75-80% closing rate. Who would love to have an 80% closing ratio on your listing presentations? You know, how to be able to handle objections. But I'm not going to talk to you about skills today, right? What I'm going to talk to you about is belief, right? I have helped over 53. People go, what do you do? If I meet someone in an elevator, they're like, what do you do? You know what I tell them? I make millionaires. I've got 53 people that I've worked with directly that have actually gone over the $1 million mark over the course of the last 6 years. Right? I'm very proud of that. Next to my son and my daughter, right? It's the thing in my life that I am the most proud of, right? And do me a favor, turn to your partner and go, I'm next, baby, on the count.
The ultimate celebrity agent, Josh Altman. He sold homes to everyone from Kim Kardashian to Miley Cyrus, Britney Spears, Selena Gomez, Ashton Kutcher, Tyler Perry, just a few. Josh Altman is here.
Real estate guru, Josh Altman. Josh Altman is a stud. Josh Altman, $1 million listing. Josh Altman.
It's Josh Altman.
Josh Altman. Josh Altman.
$1 million listing, Los Angeles. Let's put your hands together for Josh Altman.
I mean, everybody would expect. You never know where your next deal in real estate is going to come from.
Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up because you're about to witness real estate royalty step up in the stage. We're talking about a man who didn't just break the luxury real estate game, he dominated it. We don't need that. I'm too excited. I got a flight to catch. We're just going to get right into it. Are you guys ready? Just realize you look like, my brother, get on your feet, clap your hands for the multi-million-dollar man himself, Josh motherfucking Altman! I got to LA, I didn't have 2 dimes to rub together. And I slept in a fraternity house. And the weird thing is that I wasn't even part of the fraternity. But for 50 bucks a month, I gave my friend 50 bucks, and he let me sleep on the couch. And every morning I strapped on my rollerblades and I rollerbladed to my job in the mailroom. And I was making $6.50 an hour. And I worked at an entertainment company delivering mail to talent agents. And I was always brought up with the mindset that if you surround yourself with successful people, you too are going to be successful. And so every time I delivered mail to these people, I tried to pick their brains, and when I got a paycheck, I said, listen, can I take you out to lunch, please? I got it, I'll pay for it. And so I would take these successful people out to lunch. And the common denominator when sitting with all of these people, they were all super successful in the entertainment business, but they were all making money on the side in real estate. Now listen, that piqued my interest. How can you be so good at something, but then also make money in real estate? Okay, all right, here we go. All right, Mark, you want to come up here? Okay, here we go. I'm here in Arcadia, Pasadena today at the Mindset Summit, and I'm having a blast, so I figured I'd introduce you to some of my new friends, because we're going to do a deal real soon. What's up, everybody? Say hello! That's right, what an amazing crowd. I had a blast today. You guys are the best. Thank you for this, and I'll see you guys later.
And then the best husband in the world here and the most amazing children too. So I am a mom and a wife.
It's a little overwhelming running an event like this, so if we could just give it up for the AV team. It's not over here. Gabe Mendez out of San Diego, we're a real estate team, 10 years of business, and connect with me on Instagram at Gabe Mendez. Thank you.
How's it going, guys? My name is Robert Sedano. First off, I'm a man of God. I'm a husband. I'm a father. I'm excited to be here for you guys. Hopefully, it's a nice mentality. Give a shout out to my team out there. If you guys can say hello, let's go. Thank you, guys.
My name is Dale Lofgren. I'm from El Paso, Texas. I co-own a brokerage of 70 agents in El Paso. I average about 70 families served every single year as a single agent. I have a beautiful wife, and we share 5 kids together.
All right, so we're gonna do a Q. Let's get them a big round of applause.
We're gonna take a selfie with you guys. Say cheese.
Oh yeah, stand up for the selfie.
Yes.
Let's stand up for the selfie. A lot of the people on stage had a lot to do with putting this event together. You got this? Yeah. Say what? Say carne asada on 3. 1, 2, 3. Carne asada. Se va a hacer, what's up?
I was tired of being poor, like really poor. Like 1984 Toyota Corolla, mom dropping me off poor at school, you know, a block away because I didn't want my friends to see that car. And I was like, man, this is the only way I see that I can make the American dream. So I got my license, took a 7-day course, and once I became a realtor, I walked down the main street, went to 13 different brokerages, Remax, C21, Cole Banker, and nobody would hire me. Finally, the 13th broker owner shakes my hand and says, no one will ever train you like me. So I said, hey, no one's trying to hire me. So I signed up there, and he never trained me. Never trained me. And it's almost a miracle that I'm here. It's almost a miracle that I did not quit. Because I could have quit when 13 brokers told me no.